Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize Windows 11 right-click context menu. So for example, if I go to my desktop, as you can see, I have nothing here, that's okay. It's just a privacy setting that I did. So if you go and right-click even on the desktop, as you can see, this is going to be your context menu. So if you want to customize it, especially not when you click on the desktop, but when you click on a certain file, you might want to disable or enable some of the things. So for example, I recently actually cleansed my context menu. I've had a bunch of stuff here under new because I used the Microsoft 365 and all of the shortcuts for context menus from, for example, Word or Excel, PowerPoints, stuff like that was actually here. And as you can see, it's fully clean. Now it's super clean. There's nothing apart from the, from the essentials, like creating a folder shortcut or text document. So the question is, how did I do it? Actually, pretty easy. Open up your browser and search for Glary Utilities. So this is a free, awesome app that I probably have been using for pretty much over 5 years now. So just download this app. It has multiple tweaks. It's totally free. You don't have to pay for it at all. If you want to, that's up to you. I actually didn't. And then when you install it, download the installer here, free download, and let's open it up. Okay, Glary Utilities right here. And now that we are working with context menu, okay, so just install the app and let's launch it. Right, run it. And now guys, this is going to be the interface that you'll be met with. So this is going to be the interface that you'll be met with. And in here, guys, you just need to go to Optimize and Improve. And then we need to find the context manager. Wait, it's not here. Privacy and security. Let me see. System tools. All right, so under cleanup and repair, you open up this context menu manager. And now as you can see, all of the entries and all the items that are appearing at your right-click menu will be available here. So for example, if you don't want something, say I don't want this advanced system care, or Glary itself also to be appearing in the context menu, you can actually disable this by unticking these checkboxes. Okay, so for example, if I don't want this whiz tree, as you can see, this is just a really awesome app to analyze files. I untick it, and now as you can see, it's instantly absent. I tick it again, and now it appears again. As you can see, everything is super instant, very nice. So this is how you easily manage your context menus with Context Menu Manager by Glary Utilities. That is it. Go ahead and use the app. It's free. Enjoy the video and like and subscribe as well.